everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Ease. I'm Amelia, and before we start today's lesson, I just have to say, Trump, you look very handsome today. Did you do something different with your hair?
Haha, really? Maybe it's just the good lighting today, or maybe I finally slept well for once.
Ah, so that's the secret. Beauty sleep. I knew it.
Exactly. Sleep and coffee. The two best beauty tips.
Yes. All right, everyone. Today's topic is something we all talk about every single day, the weather and the seasons.
Right. Whether you're in the office, at home, or on vacation, talking about the weather is one of the easiest ways to start a conversation in English.
So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive in. We'll learn how to describe weather, talk about seasons, and sound natural just like native speakers. So, Trump, do you talk about the weather a lot?
Absolutely. When I meet someone new, I often say, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?" Or, "Looks like rain today." It just breaks the ice.
Yes, breaking the ice. That means starting a conversation and making people comfortable. Weather is perfect for that.
Exactly. Here's some common small talk weather phrases for our listeners. It's so hot today. It's really windy. What a lovely morning. The weather's been crazy lately.
And here's one more. I can't believe it's raining again.
Yes, people in London say that all the time.
That's true. When I lived there for a short time, I carried an umbrella everywhere.
Smart move. I always forget mine and end up getting soaked.
So, listeners, repeat after us. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's raining. It's snowing. It's windy. It's foggy.
Nice job. And remember, pronunciation tip. The ing in raining and snowing should be soft and smooth, not too strong.
Let's imagine we meet at work in the morning. What's the first thing people often say?
Usually something like, "Morning. Cold today, huh?"
Exactly. Or, can you believe this heat?
Right. You can also ask, "What's the weather like today?" Or, "Did it rain last night?"
These are great for small talk, especially when you want to sound natural, but not too serious.
Let's try a quick role play for our listeners.
Morning, Trump. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yeah, it's perfect. Not too hot, not too cold. I wish every day was like this.
Same. I finally didn't need my umbrella today.
That's rare. You always seem to bring the rain with you.
Hey, I'm just lucky, I guess. See, simple phrases like these make your English sound natural and friendly.
Exactly. So next time you're at the office or meeting someone, try talking about the weather first.
Now, let's move to seasons. What's your favorite season, Trump?
Definitely autumn. I love when the leaves change color. Orange, yellow, red. It feels calm and peaceful.
Same here. I love wearing cozy sweaters and drinking hot chocolate.
I can see you wrapped in a blanket with a mug, watching Netflix.
That's my ideal autumn day. How about your least favorite season?
Winter. I don't like waking up early when it's dark and cold. My bed becomes my best friend.
Yes, it's so hard to leave your blanket, but I do love winter holidays, the lights, the songs, and the warm food.
True. What about summer?
Summer is fun, beaches, fruit, and sunshine, but sometimes too hot.
Exactly. You walk 5 minutes and already need a shower.
Yes. Let's summarize. Spring, warm, flowers bloom. Summer, hot, fun, beach time. Autumn, cool, colorful leaves. Winter, cold, maybe snow, cozy time.
Perfect summary.
Okay, time for fun. Let's teach some weather idioms.
Good idea. Here are a few useful ones. It's raining cats and dogs. means it's raining very heavily. Every cloud has a silver lining. That means there's something good in every bad situation. Come rain or shine, which means no matter what happens. And feeling under the weather, which means feeling a little sick.
Nice. Let's use them in short conversations.
Sure. Don't go outside. It's raining cats and dogs.
I didn't get the job I wanted, but every cloud has a silver lining.
That's true. Maybe a better opportunity will come soon.
Exactly. I'll keep trying, come rain or shine.
And when I catch a cold, I always say, I'm feeling under the weather.
Yes, but you always sound cheerful even when you're sick.
Trump, do you think weather affects your mood?
Oh, yes. When it's sunny, I feel energetic and positive. When it's gray and rainy, I just want a nap.
Same. I think many people feel that way. Sunshine gives us energy.
Exactly. That's why in English we often say, "You're my sunshine." It means someone makes you happy.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah. But seriously, even cloudy days can be nice. They make you slow down and think.
That's true. Sometimes a rainy afternoon with tea feels perfect.
Listeners, how does the weather affect your mood? Think of your answer in English.
Good idea. Try saying, I feel happy when it's sunny, or I feel sleepy when it rains. Let's talk about travel and weather, because weather can change your plans.
Definitely. Once I went on vacation to the mountains and it rained all week.
Oh no, really? What did you do?
Stayed inside the hotel, watched movies, ate snacks, and played cards. Still fun though.
That's a good attitude. For me, I once went to Japan in summer. Super hot and humid.
I know that feeling. You step outside and your clothes stick to you.
Exactly. But the food and culture made it all worth it.
So listeners, when you travel, always check the forecast. Forecast means the weather prediction.
Yes, you can say, what's the weather forecast for tomorrow?
Or the forecast says it'll rain this weekend.
Perfect.
All right, everyone, time for practice. Repeat after us. It's sunny today.
It's raining again.
I love spring.
Winter is my favorite season.
The weather is perfect. Great job. Now, try answering these. 1. What's the weather like today? 2. What's your favorite season? 3. How does the weather make you feel?
Answer them out loud. It helps your speaking confidence.
Let's wrap up. We talked about weather words, idioms, feelings, and seasons.
Yes, and we practice how to make small talk and describe the weather naturally.
Remember, talking about the weather is never boring in English. It's friendly, safe, and helps you connect with people.
Exactly, and it's a great topic for beginners to practice listening and pronunciation.
Before we go, let's share one tip.
Sure. My tip. Every morning, describe the weather out loud. Say, it's sunny and warm today, or it's cloudy and windy. It's an easy daily English habit.
Great advice. My tip is watch short weather reports on YouTube or TV. Listen carefully and repeat what the reporter says.
That's fantastic listening practice.
All right, everyone. That's all for today's episode of Learn English with Ease.
We hope you had fun talking about weather and seasons with us.
Keep practicing, come rain or shine.
Nice use of the idiom.
Thank you. And don't forget to smile. You're someone's sunshine today.
Oh, that's sweet. Okay, everyone. Thanks for listening. I'm Amelia.
And I'm Trump.
See you next time for another fun and friendly English conversation.